Good evening, learners. Today let us verify the Ohm's law using the small instruments like here is milliammeter, which we can measure the current, and the least count of this is 10 milliampere, and here is voltmeter, range up to 2 volts we can measure maximum, and the least count is 0.05 volt. Here is the rheostat, which is also a variable resistor. We can change the resistance in the circuit and current also changes accordingly. And here is the battery eliminator, which gives the power supply to the circuit. And here is the unknown resistance, which we are going to find out using the Ohm's law. Here the ammeter of the positive of the ammeter is connected to the battery positive, and from the negative of the battery is connected to the rheostat. Rheostat other end is connected to the unknown resistance, and voltmeter is connected in parallel to the unknown resistance, and in this way, that is negative of the ammeter is connected to the other end of the resistor. Like this, milliammeter is connected in series in the circuit, and voltmeter is connected in parallel in the circuit. Okay, now let us switch on the power supply. Now we switch on the power supply. There is current and voltage in the circuit. Suppose now the voltage is 0.25 for this volt. The current in the 1, 2, 3, 4th line is coinciding. That is 40 milliampere. Voltage is 0.25 volt. Current is 40 milliampere. Okay. Now little more voltage potential difference we increase. Let us go to 0.5 volt. At 0.5 volt, the current in the circuit is 80 milliampere. Now still increase the potential difference in the circuit. This is 0.75 volt. It is 110, 120, 130. 10, 20, 30. 130 milliampere is there for 0.75 volt. Now increase the voltage in the circuit, potential difference in the circuit, that is 1 volt. Now it is 180 milliampere is there. At the 8th line it is coinciding. 180 milliampere or 1.0 volt. Still we increase. This is 1.25 volt. It is 230 milliampere. The 1.5 volt, it is 280 milliampere. Now after doing the experiment, now we have taken the graph, taking I in milliampere on the y-axis and V voltage in the x-axis. X-axis potential difference is taken, 2 cm is equal to 0.25 volt, and y-axis is electric current 1 cm is equal to 25 milliampere is being taken, and the received from the received values we have plotted the graph which from the straight line. The straight line represents that V is proportional to I. Now by taking the slope of this graph, that is slope is equal to delta y by delta x is equal to BC by AC, or slope is equal to I by V, that is difference in the current divided by the difference in the voltage, which is equal to 1 by R. R is equal to, which from this graph we got by finding the slope 5.68 ohms we got. Okay. Now we have got the experimental values, the voltage versus current when we took the experiment. The 6.25 resistance, from these are the values, and from this we got R is equal to 5.70 ohm, and from the graph R is equal to 5.68, almost approximately both are equal. Like that we verified the Ohm's law, V is proportional to I. Thank you.